Hello team and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana. Today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website. So let's start with content. And when I come here to your website, content is anything that you have in here, text, images, or videos. So it's important to have not just enough content, but relevant content so that Google can find your website for it. I like that you have links to your social media accounts, you have badges here and the reviews, the description of the services that you provide, some of the products that you work with, and pictures and videos as well. A couple of things that you could do is include click to call buttons at the top and at the bottom so that it's easier for people to reach out to you, as well as contact us forms. And also, let's have a look at the amount. So you have 292 words at the moment. Let's have a look at your competitors. So A1 Garage Door Service, this is the landing page for Tucson, Arizona. They have 2,322 words, and their content must be relevant because they are ranking at the top of the organic search. And the second one is Kaiser. Kaiser, they have 1,381 words. So definitely an opportunity worth pursuing is just pushing through some more content and relevant content or relevant keywords. And what I mean by that is that when I came here to the Google search, I type in garage door repair Tucson, which is a buyer intent keyword, and it's what people search for when they want to buy a product or a service. The first section is usually the Google Ads. Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they are not done correctly. And also, some people have the ability to turn them off in their browser, so they just skip them altogether. Now, the second section is this section here, the Google Maps. And the Google Maps are driving 40% of the traffic. So they're having a massive impact on businesses. To rank at the top of the Google Map packs, you need um, you need reviews, you need pictures, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on any directory, showing the business name, the phone number, and the address. And they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify you and rank you at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And the Google Organic Search, to rank at the top, you need first to be found by Google for the relevant keywords, but also you need backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now, it is telling me that there are 3,520 backlinks in 95 referring domains. That means that there are 3,520 links in external websites directing traffic to your website. And it is important because then that is going to signal to Google that a website is an authority or is a trusted website, so it's going to rank it at the top. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So A1, they have the landing page for Tucson only. They have 375 backlinks with 56 referring domains. And Kaiser, they have 349 backlinks with 83 referring domains. So you have more backlinks, but probably it's a combination of two factors. First, the content, how relevant is that content? And second, probably the most important one is that not all backlinks are created equal, meaning that there are backlinks that are more powerful than others, because if they are sitting on websites that are relevant to your industry or to your niche, then Google has algorithms to identify these, and it's going to give you points for this, and it's going to rank you at the top. Now let's have a look at the organic keywords. I filter here by Tucson, and this dashboard is showing me the keywords, the search volume, so how many times this keyword was searched for in 1 month, and the position that you are appearing or that your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. And if that's the case, no one is actually going to your website, or very few people are going to your website. So for example, this one, which is the main keyword, garage door repair Tucson, has a search volume of 1,200 searches per month. But because you are in the 15th position, you are only able to capture 9 visits of those 1,200 searches per month. Let's have a look at your competitors. A1 Garage Door, they have they are ranking at the top for this number of keywords. So first, their position. So between garage door repair Tucson 1,200, Tucson garage door repair 350, garage door service Tucson 300, fix a garage door Tucson Arizona 200. So that's 1,000, a little bit over 2,000 searches per month. Means that this website was in front of 2,000 people for those relevant keywords per month. And if a percentage of those click on their website, then it means that a percentage of those actually reach out to them. And then depending on the closing rate of this business, they were able to convert them into customers. So basically, more traffic translates into more customers and into more revenue, resulting in the growth of your business. And that's what I wanted to share with you today, team. So just to recap, we cover content. You need more and more relevant content. We cover citations and we cover the Google Business Profile. So that means more reviews, more pictures, and more citations. And we also cover backlinks. You need more backlinks and powerful backlinks to direct traffic to your website. So if you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to arrange a more in-depth consultation with me. My name is Viviana. My details are at the bottom of this email. If you like it, you can actually, well, I mean, you can arrange that conversation, or you can also use this information and implement it on your own. Thank you so much for watching. The only thing that I ask in return is for your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye.